What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be making a car game. So what it is you're the car and you have to try to move and try to hit the flag, and then you're gonna win. And then if you hit the yellow, just have to make it show. I think I put in hide somewhere else. Alright, so if you touch the yellow, it's gonna restart, so it's gonna spawn you back at the spawn place, so you guys can see there. Alright, let's go ahead, open a new Scratch project, and let's get creating into it. So the first thing what you're gonna be doing is picking the car sprite. So just search up car. You can see there's different types of cars. I'm just gonna use this one. And yeah, so now what you're gonna do is go to your backdrops. You're gonna be just making a simple backdrop. So I'm gonna make it gray. So like this here. Alright, now what you're gonna do is select the line, and you're gonna be making like the yellow line over here. Just gonna make it yellow. Let's see. Alright, and now you can try to make the design what I'm creating right now. Doesn't have to be that good, just creating like this kind of design, and it's gonna be extending till here, and just oops. Alright, I'm gonna just create these X's. So just something like this. I'm not going to be spending a lot of time for the sake of the video. So yeah, doesn't have to be that good. And yeah, so boom, boom. I'm going to make a one here. So oops, that's actually a bit big. Let's start with here. I'm going to just scroll down, delete that. Alrighty, so just something like this. Create this X. Alright, so we are now done. Now, so what you're gonna do is make just a white block here. So just make a white little block here. Oops, just do that again because we don't want any outlines. So it'll be like this. Now what you're gonna do is select black and make tiny little blocks on it so it looks like a finish line. Oops, like this, and like that. So it looks like a finishing line here, guys. And yeah, so wait, let me just, oops, I'm gonna select it. Alright, we are messing up a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna, oops. Alright, I have to make this. Alright, so I'm gonna, okay, actually, I'm not gonna be doing that. So that is the finishing line there. Okay, this is just kind of messing up. Okay, so that is it. And now what you want, go to your code, go to your convertible, and you're gonna start when green flag is clicked. You want it to always start here, right? So when green flag is clicked forever, and have some if statement, and do if key right arrow is pressed, then change the X by 2. Just duplicate that, and if key left is pressed, oh actually it has to be up, sorry, and just change this to up, change this to down, and then do -2, and you're gonna duplicate this again, but then do right arrow and left arrow, and take out that, the change X, and you're gonna put in turn. So turn right for that, and turn left for this, and you can change that to 5. So now you guys can see it's moving perfectly fine, but you're gonna want it to make it a bit shorter. Actually, that's way too short. I would say that's good. And also you have to make it point in 90 degrees. And you also want it to go there. So when green flag is clicked, go there, and also point in direction 90. So it'll be straight. You can actually kind of move it around. So now what you want it to do is, if it is touching that, so if it is touching this color, so if it is touching black, then it's gonna have to just spawn it back at the same place. So it'll be like this, and it'll be this, guys. So just click that, boom. Alright, and now what you're gonna do is duplicate this and select the white color, so if it touches the white color it won't be messed up. Oops, click the white color. Alright, and when it does that, you want it to switch to a new backdrop. So like you can have different kinds of levels. So what you're gonna be doing is deleting these. So delete that, and you can just delete these here. And also delete this. So delete that and bring this here. So it will be like a new design we're making. So now select this again, select the yellow color and set it to 20. So now you're gonna have a different design. This is just gonna be cleared up. Alright, that is gonna be cleared up. Now what there's gonna be like a entrance here. So like this, and obviously we're gonna do something like this. So, and the finishing line this time will be over here. So make sure the fill is nothing, and select the white color and put it right here. And now you're gonna select the black color. Oops, that made it black. Oh, you actually have to make it, and then just now select the black. So now you guys can do it. Alright, now we have this. Oops, you have to duplicate it. I actually messed up, guys, so I'm gonna have to do it again. So just delete everything I did here, cause that is obviously messed up. But we're gonna be having this. Just gonna duplicate it. Okay. Alright, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna delete that, bring it in. Okay, and bring it. So it can kind of line up, and then I'm gonna bring the backdrop. So pretty decent, I would say so myself. Not the best because it is actually kind of messed up. You guys can already kind of see that. So just make the finish line there, and then we're gonna be done. So I'm gonna be deleting that, and let's go ahead and make the finish line here. It'll be like a starting off level, and then it's gonna be a better level. it's gonna get like harder. So this is just a basic level so the player can actually like get used to the controls, because if it's like a hard level already, it's probably gonna be a bit hard and it's gonna take them down some time. So we're gonna make a practice level. Alright, so this is our practice level. You're gonna be putting it front. Alright, now what you're gonna do when green flag is clicked, always switch the backdrop to backdrop 2. And then if it's touching one of these, switch the backdrop to backdrop 1. And if it's touching this, and then yeah, so let's see here. Okay, for some reason our backdrop finish line. Okay, I think I know what our mistake is. Just have to move this, make it come a bit like here. Alright, now it is showing, guys. Okay, so now let's test it. Test it so our car is going up here. Boom, switches to the next, and we have to fix this one too, guys, so, yep. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna select it. Select this, like that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, oops, messed up. Just drag it to like up here maybe? Nope. Yeah, a bit like that. Now drag this to over here. And now drag their finish line over here. Like right here. Okay, that's much better. Okay, now we are good, guys. So let's test it now. So if we're touching the yellow, we also have to make it touch the yellow. So, boom. Okay, I think we have to fix something. So, this actually has to, come out and has to be change Y. So, just do change Y, guys. It's actually a bit messed up because it won't work, so. -2. Okay, this actually has to be -2 and this has to be 2. Okay, it's much better now. So I think it's a bit playable. Okay, so now what you want it to do, if it is touching the yellow color, then it needs to go back to the spawn. Touching yellow color, this color, it needs to go back to this place. Okay guys, so let's test it. Okay, boom, perfect. That was it for the tutorial, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you can know when I upload a video. And enough of that. See you guys.